Video we are going to show you how to remove the radio touchscreen CD player from Toyota Prius 2016, which is similar to some other years. The tools that you need is this yellow dashboard removal tool and size 10mm socket plus the small flat screwdriver. In the first step, you need to remove this side cover on the passenger side. You just use your dashboard removal tool, just pry it out, and there is a plastic clip inside. The next step, you need to just pop up this clip over here, which I'm showing you. This one right here. You just need to remove it. You just use your flat screwdriver and then pop the center piece, and then you can remove the whole thing. And once you get this one out, then you can remove the whole complete front bezel for the radio. By the way, we already made everything loose, so this is just for the demo only. So you can get the whole thing out. And it only has one connector, which you don't need to take it off. You can just leave it on and then remove the radio. And then the radio has 4 mounting screws, the size 10mm, which you need to remove, 2 on the passenger side and then 2 on the driver's side. And once you get these 4 screws out, then you can pull the radio forward. And there's a connector in the back of the unit. And if you need any repair for the touchscreen, CD player, or the radio, you can send it to High Tech Electronic Services in Van Nuys, California, 818-785-8085.